Find or read reviews that most people are talking of ZAFRO Ice Maker Countertop, Ice Maker Machine with Handel 26 pounds/24 hour. It is recommended that you do not buy until you have read and studied features or details. Until you are sure really that useful for you. Features highlight or overview summary are include. Portable ice maker, size, 8.74 x 11.57 x 11.42 inch. The small size is very portable. This ice maker has a handle that can be easily carried anywhere you want. With ice basket and ice spoon, it is easy to store ice. Suitable for kitchen, living room, bedroom, office, party. Efficient ice, equipped with an R600, a high-quality compressor. This benchtop ice maker can produce about 9 ice cubes in 6 to 13 minutes and 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours. You can enjoy your ice-cold ice anytime you want. Automatic self-cleaning function, the countertop ice maker equipped with the self-cleaning function. You only need to add water to the tank and long press the ice/clean button for 5 seconds to start auto clean. Reduce the hassle of cleaning your ice machine. Easy to operate, smart LCD panel, without complicated operations. Any operation can be solved in the control panel. 1 to 24 hour timing, ice full reminder, water shortage reminder, self-cleaning. Transparent window allows you to monitor the ice making process at any time. Bullet-shaped ice maker. Stylish bullet-shaped ice cubes are ideal for whiskey, cold drinks, frozen food, and first aid. Now you don't need to drive to the store, you can get it straight from this ice maker anytime. Self-cleaning ice maker, automatic self-cleaning function. The countertop ice maker equipped with the self-cleaning function. You only need to add water to the tank and long press the ice/clean button for 5 seconds to start auto clean. Reduce the hassle of cleaning your ice machine, giving you an excellent ice making experience. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.